2008 Chevy Express Explorer Limited SE high top conversion van, 9-passenger conversion van, 6 captain chairs and rear folding electric leather bed, fully loaded leather, wood grain, Explorer package, ground effects. Beautiful condition. Almost new tires. Very straight inside and out. Rear folding electric power bed, backup camera, TV, DVD entertainment system, tow package. Look how straight the body is. It's got a clean Carfax, fully loaded inside, chrome wheels, leather, Explorer package, which is top of the line. Seats and carpet are almost like new, very fresh. It's a non-smoking vehicle all the way. Very luxurious inside and out. Please give us a call at 954-561-2499. You got fully loaded leather, captain chairs, wood grain. The vehicle is running. As you can see, no warning lights on, runs perfect. CD, lighting system throughout, premium sound. This is a 2,500 3/4 ton. Oh, excuse me. This is a 3,500 1-ton van. This is a 1-ton 3,500 van, which is very rare to find a 1-ton conversion van. Most of them are half-ton or 3/4. Got flat screen entertainment system, wireless headphones throughout. You've got shades for all the windows throughout. Power folding electric bed. Everything works. This van is like new inside and out. It's beautiful. Sure, DVD player, cooler. Excellent, excellent condition. Please give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. As for Jeff or Ken, we're happy to help at any time. Chrome wheels. Excellent van, inside and out. There's a vantage point from the rear. You have your power bed switch here. Everything works the way it's supposed to. Has the original owner's manuals. Again, it's very hard to find a 1-ton that has been converted. Most of them are half-tons or 3/4. Give us a call if you have any questions. 954-561-2499. Supreme Motors. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Thank you.